Now, getting you the latest weather update in Delhi, there have been cancellation of at least 7 international flights and 6 domestic flights have been delayed as well. Also, trains continue to be delayed because of low visibility. But in the upper reaches of northern India, in Kashmir, the snowfall has set in. Srinagar airport has been temporarily suspended until further notice. Shimla also witnessed the first heavy rainfall of the season this weekend. Upper reaches on Saturday is where complete shut-off was seen. The supply of power and water has been disrupted. Normal life has been thrown out of gear as well. My colleague Manjeet is joining us. He is en route Shimla to give us full assessment of the situation on the ground and preparedness of the district administration to deal with the snowfall and inclement weather. Manjeet, can you tell us how many people, I can see there are some people with you, how people are dealing with this entire wave of cold in the northern India?
Well, Devina, Shimla receives the heaviest snowfall after a gap of 26 years and life was thrown out of the gear. People were stranded on the roads and the local administration also failed to control the flow of tourists who after seeing the news on the television channels thronged Shimla in large numbers, but the hotels were not able to cater to them. They were compelled to spend the whole night on the roads. There were no hotel rooms, there was no accommodation, there was no food. I'm also joined by some of the eyewitnesses who spent nights on the roads and the hotels denied food to them. Let us go across to them. What is your good name?
श्री रविंद्र कुमार।
रविंदर, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
शिमला से आ रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आपने रात को क्या देखा, वहाँ पे जो स्थिति थी आपने क्या देखा और जो लोग थे वो किस तरह से जो वो परेशान हुआ शिमला में?
हम लोग होटल के लिए खाने के लिए खादियों की तरह तस्ते देखे हैं, मांगे अपनी आंखों के सामने। उन्होंने खाना मांगा, किसी भी कीमत पर उनको खाना नहीं मिला। बच्चों के लिए भीख मांग रहे थे खाने पे, उनको वो खाना नहीं दिया होटल वालों ने। रहने को छत तो बहुत दूर की बात है, बोला भाई बच्चों को दे दो खाना, उन्हें मना कर दिया। रुकने के लिए जगह नहीं, पीने को होटल में पानी नहीं था, कोई प्रॉपर इंतजाम नहीं था। होटल पे ट्रैफिक टोटली बंद है। कोई लोग तो हमारे साथी वापस हुए रास्ते से।
रात को 11 बजे तो मेरा नाम राजेंद्र बंसल है।
आपने क्या देखा?
मैंने देखा रात को 11 बजे तक पूरी रोड जाम पड़ी थी, आने वाली और जाने वाली सारी। किसी में कोई प्रॉब्लम इतनी ज्यादा थी, लोग उतर के कारों में, बच्चे रो रहे थे लोगों के, और आके जा रहे थे गाड़ियों में, उतर के होटल में जा रहे। उन्होंने मिन्नतें डाली, तरले डाले कि किसी तरीके हमें कुछ मिल जाए, खाने को मिल जाए, बच्चों के लिए रोटी दे दो, कुछ हम अपने कार में चला लेंगे काम, पर किसी ने नहीं कुछ दिया।
So Devina, these are a few tourists who are telling the stories how they spent their night in Shimla. That was a horror.
Manjeet, before we let you go, Manjeet, how many tourists are still stranded and which are the areas in Shimla and also in Manali where the worst is expected?
Well, in Shimla and Manali, hundreds of tourists are stranded, Devina. Nearly 300 tourists are stranded in Shimla at various places, and they are not able to move out of Shimla. There is a traffic congestion, and today being Sunday, Shimla will be getting more tourists from the neighboring states, so we can expect more congestion today. The local administration is claiming that efforts are on to clear the roads.
Okay.
If we talk about the whole state,
okay,
535 roads have been blocked, Devina, in whole of Himachal. In Upper Shimla, people are not getting the supplies of vegetables, milk and other essential items.
All right, thanks Manjeet for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates through the day.